Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, shit.
Oh, James.
Done a little wee-wee.
We're James and Holly, and for over 10 years we've both been spending all of our hard-earned money on travel, but things are about to change.
We bought a house!
And the house we have bought is a doer-upper, so we've got to do everything in the house, and we've never done anything quite like this before, so we're complete novices. Welcome to our new adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 3 in our house renovation series.
And we just wanted to say at the very beginning of this video, thank you very much.
Massive thank you.
Because we have just hit 30,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you so much for every single one of you who's clicked that subscribe button.
Thank you so much, but we need to get back to the house. Because you can't see it currently, but it doesn't look like a house.
Everything behind the camera is like trashed.
We wrecked it.
But
Totally wrecked it.
in today's video, we're going to be talking about and showing you us ripping out all of the plumbing in this house. And it's not a normal house in a way because it's an old house.
Quite old.
There's no boiler.
Nope.
There's like old radiators and Rayburns and water tanks and stuff. But anyway, let's just get into today's video and we kind of explain what we're doing to the house. There's a few things which does the hot water and the heating. One of them is a hot water tank, which is up on the landing in the airing cupboard, which helps do the hot water. And then there's the Rayburn, which is in the corner of the kitchen. This Rayburn obviously heats up and you can cook on it, but it also has pipes going up, which runs some radiators upstairs. Because it's kind of old, it runs off of oil. We don't want to basically be burning or using oil at all because we want to help reduce our carbon footprint, which basically means that the Rayburn becomes redundant. And because it's inefficient as well, we want to get rid of it, which means we can have a nice new kind of clean kitchen without the Rayburn. So we take the Rayburn out, which then means that the radiators don't work. So we have to basically strip this out and strip the radiators out, take all the pipes out, because if you look up here, this is all iron pipes. So this is like super old technology and again inefficient. So next job is to rip everything out. So to briefly explain what we're doing now, we've just turned off the mains water into the house through this stop tap down here. So no more water is going to be coming into the house. So we have to drain all of the water out of the house before we can start ripping all of the plumbing out and the radiators out and stuff. So we've turned the tap on here, which is the hot water tap, which is going to be taking all of the water out of the tank, which is up in the attic. You can't really see them, but these are the tanks right there, and that does mean that in the near future I can get rid of these. We've then put a hose pipe onto the hot water tank, which is at the top of the stairs. The hose is going to be draining out the hot water in the hot water tank. Yeah, it's all coming out of here, lovely. And now all of that water's out, we then put a hose pipe down here, which then helps drain all of the water out of the actual heating and the radiators upstairs. And because we're taking out the water tank, that basically means then that the airing cupboard becomes redundant, that we don't actually need it. So we're going to be taking out this stud wall here, which goes into the bathroom. We're going to be taking out the cupboard as well, and then putting a door on here. So then this whole room becomes one big room without it being partitioned off and having a cupboard in the corner. And then the bathroom then goes into this room here. So then this becomes a bathroom, and then this becomes one big bedroom. So I've got a saw. Pipes. Too early.
I like that.
It's too early to do this.
Ah.
So now we've completely drained the system down so there's no water left in the system. We've stripped all of the wood off this cupboard. Means that we can now get inside here super easy because everything in here has to be completely ripped out because we no longer need any of the pipework in the house. No water. That's what we like to see. Ta-da! Come on, you badger!
No, no money.
And there's the pipe work. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of scary what we're doing right now. Ripping up all the floorboards and tearing out all of the existing pipe work for both the hot water and the heating. For what me and Holly have planned for the house is new technologies and basically revamping it and modernising it and stuff. So we obviously have to rip out all of the old system, but it doesn't mean that it's not scary ripping everything out. Don't worry about it, Holly. We got it covered. We always knew that we were going to be taking this cupboard out, which means replastering this wall. It's just that when you're pulling things out and it crumbles like this, you know that you've got a hell of a lot of work ahead of you. Because just to get it out is an absolute pain. Holly, have you seen this? So after we've ripped out this cupboard, we've now discovered this really old fireplace, which was hidden behind the big water tank and stuff. Look, even the old grate is still in there where you put all your logs and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Can we have an open fire in here?
I think we're going to have to block it up though, Holly. Just by the shape of the room. I don't think this is going to work.
I don't think so.
But that's pretty flipping cool.
That is so
Kind of
cool.
shows how old the house is. You got all these like hidden things stuck behind other walls. Oh, blimey. That's not seen the light of day for a while. So Holly, are you sure?
I've got no idea, this is all down to you.
I mean, are you sure you want us to rip all this out?
A bit late now. I've seen how much you've already ripped out.
So basically, if we cut these can go straight up to where we were just now.
So the other half it's already gone anyway.
Yeah, pretty much.
You just asked me to be polite.
Come on. Please say the house is not haunted. Who are you? Ta-da. That's almost like a sword. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
Cosplayers out there, you could turn that into...
I think we can do it. It already looks like
Maybe
it.
we should turn it into a sword.
We can invent characters and that's the sword.
That is like medieval right there. With
That's
fireplace
staying.
and swords above that. Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, shit.
Oh, James.
Done a little wee-wee.
This is the scary bit now, Holly. This is where the spiders might live. I'm trying to get all the pipe out. All the pipes.
Did the spider just bite you?
Yeah, I think it did. Got it? Yeah. Right, so that technically is all of the pipes out.
Technically.
That's it.
But the last bit we've got to do is now just take out these pipes which run around this room, which come into the bathroom in here to feed basically the taps in here. Once that's ripped out, then that is everything completely gone, and that means then that we can switch the bathroom from here into here, and then this wall can come down, and then this becomes one big room. And we still got to work out if we're going to keep that or get rid of that, Holly.
I quite like it.
It is cool, but I just think that it's in the complete wrong position.
It's in the worst place.
It's in a really weird position because the door's here. Yeah, I just don't think it's going to work.
Did you hit it a little bit too hard?
A little bit. Don't want to knock that wall down because the whole house might come with it.
Don't knock that one down.
But just look how crumbly the actual wall is. Don't have to do anything. This is why we want to go back to basically the bare bones, the skeleton of the house, and redo it all because you really can't do
James,
much with this.
you scare me.
Can you go get the hammer, please?